In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up customer accounts in Squarespace, whether you're launching a brand new online store or simply looking to give your existing visitors a more personalized experience. Enabling customer accounts is a powerful way to build loyalty and streamline shopping. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the Squarespace homepage and click on the Login button. You'll notice a few login options here, but the fastest method is Continue with Google. It's quick, secure, and keeps things simple if your Google account is already linked. Once you're logged in, you'll see a dashboard with all of your websites. Select the site where you'd like to set up customer accounts. This will bring you into your site's main admin area. Now, look to the left-hand menu and click on Settings. This section is where you'll manage everything from design details to e-commerce features, so it's a good spot to get familiar with if you're planning to grow your store. Inside Settings, you'll scroll down and click on Selling. This is the hub for all your store-related tools, products, payments, and yes, customer accounts. Next, click on Customer Accounts. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see the option to enable customer accounts. Go ahead and turn this on. By enabling this feature, you're giving your customers the ability to create profiles, log in, and manage their details directly on your site. This can make the checkout process faster, increase repeat purchases, and give your store a more professional touch. Once you've enabled accounts, don't forget to click Save. It's a small but crucial step. Without saving, your changes won't apply. And that's it. You've now set up customer accounts in Squarespace. With this feature active, your visitors can enjoy a personalized shopping journey while you benefit from improved engagement and stronger customer loyalty. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to check out my other Squarespace guides for more tips on growing your online store.